Discovery of Harappan civilization. Alexander Cunningham, the first DG of Archaeological Survey of India, began excavations at Harappa in 1872, but missed the significance. He is often called as the father of Indian archaeology. In 1920-21, Dayaram Sahani and R.D. Banerjee started excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro respectively. In 1924, John Marshall formally announced the discovery of Harappan civilization. Chronology and terminology of Harappan culture. Scholar James Saffer uses another set of terminology for the long series of human adaptation from the Neolithic, Chalcolithic to the decline of Harappan civilization is Indus Valley tradition. Early Harappan phase is regionalization era. Mature Harappan phase is integration era, and late Harappan phase is localization era. Mesopotamia literally means the land between the two rivers is a historical region in Western Asia, roughly corresponding to present-day Iraq. Why is it called a civilization or urbanization? According to Oxford Dictionary, civilization means the stage of human social and cultural development and organization that is considered most advanced. And urbanization means the process in which towns, streets, factories, etc. are built where there was once countryside. Why is it called Harappan civilization? In the beginning, most of the settlements of this civilization were discovered in the plains of the Indus and its tributaries. Hence, it was given the name Indus Valley Civilization. Often identified with the ancient Saraswati mentioned in Rig Veda, some scholars preferred to call it the Sindhu-Saraswati civilization. Subsequently, it was suggested that it be named Harappan civilization after the first site discovered. This is also based on the archaeological conventions of naming a culture after a site where it is first identified. Hence, the name Harappan civilization. Major Harappan sites are Harappa, located in Punjab province of Pakistan on the banks of Ravi River, excavated by archaeologists like Dayaram Sahani, M.S. Bhatts and Mortimer Wheeler. It was the first city to be excavated. Mohenjo-daro, located in Larkana district of Sindh province of Pakistan, on the banks of Indus River, excavated by R.D. Banerjee and John Marshall. It literally means the mound of the dead. It was the largest site of Harappan civilization before recent excavations at Rakhi Gadi. Great Granary is the largest building in Mohenjo-daro according to Wheeler. Chanhu-daro, located in Sindh, Pakistan, about 130 km south of Mohenjo-daro. Lothal, located in Ahmedabad on the banks of Sabarmati River and its tributary, the Bhogavo. Kalibangan, located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan on the banks of dried Ghaggar river. It literally means black bangles. Banwali, located in Hisar district of Haryana near the dry bed of the Rangoi river. The site shows evidence of early, mature and late Harappan phases. Rakhi Gadi, located in the Ghaggar plain, Hisar district, Haryana. After recent excavations, it has emerged as the largest site of the Harappan civilization. Dholavira, located in Kadir Island in the Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. Shatkajan Dor, located in Makran coast near Gwadar in Balochistan, Pakistan. Surkotada, located in Kutch district, Gujarat. List of raw materials sourced by the Harappans. Copper, Khetri mines of Rajasthan and Oman. Copper ore, Jodhpur, Bagor, and Ganeshwar in Rajasthan. 10. Afghanistan, Central Asia, Bastar, Hazaribagh. Gold, Kashmir, KGF, Afghanistan. Silver, Afghanistan and Iran. Lead, Kashmir, Rajasthan. Lapis Lazuli, Badakhshan in Afghanistan. Turquoise Jade, Central Asia. Seychelles, Nageshwar and Balakot. Objects of worship. The Harappans possibly worshipped both male and female deities. They even practiced nature worship in the forms of worship of the earth, trees, and animals. Chief male deity. Harappan sites have yielded a series of statite shells showing a male deity sitting in a yogic posture. Marshall has identified this figure as Pashupati Shiva. Chief female deity. The Harappan sites have also yielded a large number of terracotta female figurines. Some of them are shown wearing a white girdle, a loin cloth, necklaces, and a fan-shaped headdress. Scholars have identified them with a goddess of the earth, the goddess of fertility, or the mother goddess. Tree worship. Several Harappans also seem to have worshipped of the peepal tree. Animal worship. The Harappans also seems to have worshipped a large number of animals. The Brahmani bull with its heavy dewlap is frequently represented in seals and ceilings of Harappa. Birds and pigeons were also possibly worshipped. Theories of decline of Harappan civilizations. Floods, earthquakes, shifting away of the Indus, increased aridity, Aryan invasion, and ecological imbalance. Main features of late Harappan period: abandonment of old cities, emergence of new settlements, decline of urban features, emergence of rural Chalcolithic farming communities, and diversification of agriculture. Here is the questions from UPSC 2001. Which of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? And the correct answer is cow.